Did you know that 18% of the population, that's nearly 70 million people, experience gas and bloating every single week? If you're one of them, you already know how uncomfortable, embarrassing, and downright frustrating it can be. But here's the good news. You don't have to live this way. Today we're diving deep into what causes gas and bloating and, more importantly, how you can finally find relief. Hi, I'm Dr. Springer, author of The Gut Connection, and welcome to our channel where we explore all things gut and how it plays a major role in so many health problems and your overall well-being. Gas and bloating aren't just random annoyances. They're signals from your body that something's out of balance. And the tricky part? There are 7 different possible causes. But don't worry, we're going to break it all down so you can identify your root cause and take the right steps to fix it. Let's jump in. 1. Low stomach acid, pH imbalance. Your stomach is supposed to be highly acidic. It's step 1 in proper digestion. But if you don't have enough stomach acid, food isn't broken down properly, especially fiber. Instead of getting absorbed, it travels down to your colon, where bacteria feast on it, producing gas as a byproduct. And here's something else. Low stomach acid also creates an environment where candida, a type of yeast, can thrive, adding even more fermentation and gas. 2. Gallbladder dysfunction. Your gallbladder releases bile, which helps break down fats. But if bile production is low, fat digestion suffers. That undigested fat moves down the digestive tract, interfering with nutrient absorption and leading to, you guessed it, gas and bloating. 3. Pancreatic enzyme deficiency. Your pancreas produces digestive enzymes that break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. But if you're low on these enzymes, food remains undigested as it moves through the intestines. That leftover food feeds bacteria in the gut, leading to fermentation, gas, and bloating. 4. SIBO, small intestine bacterial overgrowth. Most of the bacteria in your digestive system should stay in the large intestine, but when they overgrow into the small intestine, they ferment food too early, causing bloating right after meals. If you feel bloated even with healthy foods, SIBO could be the culprit. 5. Leaky gut and food sensitivities. Leaky gut happens when the lining of your intestines becomes damaged, allowing larger food particles to enter your bloodstream. Your immune system reacts to these particles, triggering inflammation, gas, and bloating. Over time, this can lead to food sensitivities, meaning certain foods that never bothered you before suddenly leave you bloated and uncomfortable. 6. High-fiber diet and resistant starches. Even if your digestion is working properly, your diet alone can contribute to bloating. Certain foods contain resistant starches or enzyme inhibitors that slow digestion, such as raw vegetables, especially cruciferous ones like broccoli and cabbage, nuts, which contain enzyme inhibitors, beans, legumes, and whole grains, which contain fermentable fibers. These foods feed gut bacteria, and while that's not always a bad thing, too much too quickly can overwhelm your system and cause bloating. 7. Microbiome imbalance in the large intestine. Your gut is home to trillions of microbes, bacteria, yeast, even viruses that help digest food, produce vitamins, and keep your gut lining healthy. But factors like antibiotics, pesticides, alcohol, and processed foods can throw this delicate ecosystem out of balance, leading to an overgrowth of gas-producing bacteria. The result? Chronic bloating and discomfort. So, as you can see, gas and bloating aren't caused by just one thing, and that's why finding the right solution matters. To finally tame the bloating and gas, you have to identify your root cause and make the right adjustments to restore balance in your gut. If you're ready to take control of your gut health, I have a free guide entitled Your Gut Reboot. You'll find the link in the description below. And don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe for more gut health insights. Together, we can help you discover your gut connection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.